Arizona nature myth. Up in the heavenly saloon, Sheriff, Sun, and Rustler Moon gamble. Stuck in the sheriff's mouth, the fag end of an afternoon. There in the bad town of the sky, Sheriff, nervy, wonders why he's let himself wander so far west on his own. He looks with a smoky eye at the rustler opposite, turning white, lays down a king for law, sits tight, bluffing. On it that crooked moon plays an ace and shoots for the light. Spurs, badge, and uniform red. It looks like blood, but he's shamming dead. Down drops the marshal, and under cover crawls out dogwise, ducking his head. But law that don't get its man ain't law. Next day, faster on the draw, Sheriff, creeping up from the other side, blazes his way in through the back door. But Moon's not there. He's ridden out on a galloping phenomenon, a wonder horse quick as light. Moon's left town. Moon's clean gone.